Bangkok's boiling at a sizzling 35 degrees, while Chicago and New York freeze under sub-zero temperatures. Stay tuned for the icy chill and tropical thrill. Welcome to WeatherAvenue.com weather forecast. Venture with us on a thrilling journey around the globe as we uncover the dramatic weather patterns of Asia, North America, Europe, and beyond. Unravel the mysteries of Mother Nature's mood swings that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Sunny skies dominate Asia today with varying temperatures. Bangkok is hot at 35 degrees. Beijing is brisk at 5 degrees. Tokyo a mild 14 degrees. While Shanghai experiences patchy rain at 12 degrees. Don't forget your sunblock in Bangkok and your umbrella in Shanghai. Let's take a closer look at Beijing. Current conditions show sunny with temperatures around 5 degrees Celsius. Chilly overcast skies dominate the east with New York at 1 degrees and Chicago slightly colder at 2 degrees. Heading west, it's a sunnier story with Vancouver basking at 7 degrees, while Los Angeles sizzles at a toasty 23 degrees. Perfect day for Ella Beach goers that bundle up in the east. Let's take a closer look at New York. Current conditions show overcast with temperatures around 1 degree Celsius. A mixed bag of weather across Europe today. London is a cool 9 degrees with nearby drizzles, while Paris is slightly warmer at 11 degrees under overcast skies. Madrid stays cloudy at 13 degrees. Rome steals the show with a sunny 17 degrees. Don't forget your brolly in London, folks. Which city are you watching from today? Weather's a mixed bag in South America today, with a past cool at 20 degrees with some rain in spots. While Lima enjoys a partly cloudy 25 degrees afternoon, Santiago basks in a warm, sunny 27 degrees, but Sao Paulo is also seeing patchy rain at 23 degrees. Keep an umbrella handy in Bogota and Sao Paulo. Let's take a closer look at Sao Paulo. Current conditions show patchy rain nearby with temperatures around 23 degrees Celsius. Bright skies dominate North Africa with Cairo and Marrakesh basking at 16 degrees and 18 degrees respectively. Meanwhile, Lagos and Nairobi see 29 degrees and 23 degrees with sporadic showers nearby. Don't forget your umbrella if you're in West or East Africa today. Let's take a closer look at Nairobi. Current conditions show patchy rain nearby with temperatures around 23 degrees Celsius. A bright day graces Oceania, with Singapore and Perth basking at 20 degrees and 23 degrees respectively under sunny skies. Meanwhile, Brisbane is experiencing 28 degrees with some nearby rain patches, and Sydney is partly cloudy at a pleasant 24 degrees. Don't forget your umbrellas, Brisbane. Let's take a closer look at Sydney. Current conditions show partly cloudy with temperatures around 24 degrees Celsius. Today's weather extremes. Bangkok reaches 35 degrees. Chicago drops to 2 degrees. London receives 0.1 millimeters of rain. Winds hit 25 kilometers per hour in London. Subscribe for daily global weather updates.